Let's begin by talking about what DocXpress is. DocXpress is a solution that allows users to produce complete documentation for your monitored environment. In addition, DocXpress allows you to track object lineage as well as providing our data dictionary functionality, which allows you to create notes about the objects that will be included within the created documentation. DocXpress is licensed for up to 10 documentation sources such as SQL Server, SSAS, Power BI, and more. For DocXpress, you will need a 2 GHz processor or faster. We recommend any relatively recent 64-bit processors. If you choose to install DocXpress on a single server, we recommend at least 8 GB of RAM. It should be increased as the database increases in size to maintain optimal performance. If you choose to install DocXpress on multiple servers, we recommend at least 6 GB of RAM. As stated previously, the RAM for the server where the DocXpress database is hosted should be increased as the database increases in size to maintain optimal performance. As the software requirements are a bit different for each of the technologies that are supported, I would like to refer you to the following link in our user guide. You can also view the permissions for these technologies here as well. Finally, let's talk about the technologies that DocXpress supports. These technologies are Excel spreadsheets, Excel Power Pivot, SQL Server Analysis Services, SQL Server Integration Services, SQL Server 2008 R2 or higher reporting services, Power BI Report Server, and Tableau. Thanks for watching.